just so yeah guys, this is the slime at Pom Pom. So yeah, hey guys, it's girl Belle. Welcome to my family. Sorry about my throat, it's like low. I'm going to be showing you guys all my slimes I made. So yeah, some of them might be good, some of them might be bad. So let's go with the first one. Here's the first one. This one's called... Where did I put the label? Oh. Wait, what? Oh, it's called Blueberry Slime No Pom-Poms. So it has no pom-poms. How is this blueberry? Oh, this is bad slime. It's very sticky. Wait, what? It has a purple pom-pom. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a bag. So next one. This one, I have no name for it. It's the same thing, but with the green pom-pom. It has hair. A bag. Next one. Blueberry slime. I already know it. I don't even know. Oh, that's so crunchy. So I love this slime. So, a thumbs up. Sorry, the video might be short because I'm going fast. Because I need to eat breakfast. Next one. And my camera's gonna die, so. Oh, this is called Quicksand. Oh, I love this one. This is like my favorite slime. It has purple pom-poms with a little girl. Okay. This slime is called snow slime, blue. The texture is like genius. Very pokey. It's dirty. Yep. Very crunchy. A thumbs up. Next time. Oh, this one has chiffon beads. No. Thumbs down. Next one. Another bunch of chiffon beads. Thumbs down. Okay, next one. I bought it at the store. Very cheaply. And I get the thumbs up. Last one. I made this a long time ago, so it's hard. So, yeah. What am I fine? Huh? You took it. It's very hard. Okay. It has heartbeats, so yeah. These are all my slimes. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Which one? My favorite. Which one?